Welcome back to another how-to video from eMechanic, and in this video I will be showing how to remove your E39 rear bumper. Now to gain access to the rear bumper screws, you need to first remove the trim. This can be removed by using a screwdriver or a cutter plier. Now remove the boot seal and make your way towards the tail light. You will see a two 10mm screws on the left side and the right side, which is holding the boot lid. Once you have removed the screws, you'll need to first push it so it's released from the hooks and pull it towards you. It was a little hard for me because I was holding the camera in one hand and trying to do the job with the other, but if you're using two hands then it saves the job. You would also need to remove the wheel chocks. Now you will need to remove three 13mm screws from the left and the right side. These screws hold the rear bumper to the rear bumper shocks, which then holds the bumper together, so these would need to come out completely. Once you have loosened up the bolt, you could easily remove it with your hand, as they come off quite easily. Now sometimes oxidations or corrosions can happen between the bolt and the nut, so it's better to always screw it and then unscrew it, or even use a WD-40 to kind of loosen up the oxidization, which would do your job much more easier. There is also two clips on the left and also the right side of the wheel arch, which also holds the rear bumper, so you would also need to remove those two. These are easily removed by using a cutter plier. You'd also need to remove the rear wheel arch to kind of overlap with the rear bumper, so you could easily push it. Once you have freed the bumper with the clips, you can now pull it towards you. However, if you have a rear parking sensor, you'd also need to remove those, which I will show you right now. Now to remove the rear parking sensor, you would need to squeeze the clips and pull it towards you. And to gain access to the other sensors, you need to remove the foam. Thank you for watching. If you do like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.